Nan tana embarrassing ɗina minti ta kife ta faɗi. For breakfast and guys. So I know one thing you guys are like, it's time for breakfast, and I thought I'm gonna be having my breakfast around 9 a.m. But honestly, I was sleeping by then. Okay. Some strawberries from I think my last vlog, and those strawberries are about to go bad, and that is something I am not ready for. So what I intended to do today is, since yesterday I couldn't get my hands on a very good Greek yogurt, so I didn't purchase any. I think I'm going to be doing today for breakfast should be matcha. I'm excited about it, even though my matcha is almost like turning bad, because to store your matcha in a dark container where light cannot pass through. So I kept mine in the original matcha container, which was a like white transparent rubber, and light was penetrating so bad because I kept it on top of a counter, so light was passing through it so bad, sunlight and everything. And there's a part where it's turned. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but right here it's kind of turned. Yeah, you guys can see right here the color is different from right here, right? So this place is where it has turned bad, and it's gonna taste different from this side. But on opening the matcha itself, the container, I think I still smell the like aroma of matcha, which is really nice, that I can smell it. It means the whole mixture, the whole powder hasn't turned bad. You guys, at first I thought I was doing blonders, but now it's beginning to thicken, and I think I love it. I'm gonna purchase more strawberries today, and I'm gonna do this over and over until I'm perfect. For breakfast, and guys, I don't know, this matcha has always not been the greeniest matcha, so I think I need to purchase a new one. And also the strawberry whatever also give it this darker color. I'm not feeling this matcha, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not feeling it. This is not what I anticipated for. But let's taste this one. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes bad. It tastes really awful. The matcha, another, I've seen another wahala. ci wando fa. Ye. Ga mana. Ai ni in wannan ta faɗo ba ƙarfin dariya nake ci wallahi tallahi ta. Dai na ga ina ga zan bawa Mallo channel fa. To kin ga an haisa amana haka. So guys, someone just saw me right now and they recognized me. And she's just like, her daughter recognized me and she was like, Bint Harun. I was like, okay. I love when people see me and then they recognize me from social media, even though I don't have that huge a huge of following, like I won't like put myself in the huge influencer kind of thing or content creator kind of thing, but I still feel humbled. Like with the small amount of people that I have, I still do meet people on the road that still do know me. I appreciate the connection, honestly speaking. And I'm excited. So her daughter recognized me. The woman really didn't recognize me. Then her daughter was like, it's me. Then she stopped by and we greeted. I wanted to like put her on video, but she caught me off guard. So there's no way that I could do that. We are done. We are done, come. Yes. So guys, we are here. We are almost done. Yes. Because we left Uma and our other cousin in the market. But this is us too. And we are back with some other groceries. We are relaxing in the car. But I love live here. Go back, I will see baby Gaiba. So, wannan tana embarrassing ina minti ta kife ta faɗi. Ga kaza, ga miya, ga coleslaw. Shida? A kudin nan a gaskiya. We did here. Like food we did. We did. Good morning, guys. Really good afternoon. That I'm showing you my room right now. It's messy. So I'm gonna like tidy up the space. And the fact that I'm fasting today is Monday, I felt like I should just, go back to bed, continue to binge watch my series. But I think that would be a very bad idea considering the situation of my room. And I also have to have this surge of energy. I have to have this energy and vibe to set in to start the new year clean and crisp. And I think I should be able to tidy up some things that I could today. So yeah, starting off with taking this box off bag up there and removing the brown curtains because they look so nasty up there. So other than this, people took their light, and also other than it's so cold right now, I don't even know what degree we are at, and I think I'm gonna burn a candle because that makes me feel warm and close it up. Hey guys. So today is January 2nd of January. It's a Thursday and I have already gotten ready. I think it's the right time to like push myself through all the problems and start afresh. And that is what we're doing. And lucky for me, it's the end of the year 2024 and now we're in 2025. So like, all the new year resolution and stuff will be happening. It's like a great time to start all over again. So I thought like maybe I should film a routine, like a day in my life kind of thing for my socials, because I've been MIA in my socials. Y'all know about that. So what I did today was just woke up, and I woke up super late, like past 10. I really didn't want to wake up that late, but I tried to stick to the routine, even though I didn't stick to the time, but I stick to the routine. Woke up, tidied my bed, dust and swept my room, and you know, all the clothing that I have around, packed them and sort them out, bring in my laundry, and what else? And I also started a workout. I don't want to talk much about that because I have been doing workout in my life and then stopping. So right now I don't know, but I have done a workout and I felt the surge of energy and I love it. And what I'm gonna be doing now is taking my breakfast. I know it's late, and I like in my new resolution I wrote like eating my breakfast around 9 a.m. ish or 10 at most. And before I eat my breakfast, I need to do some routines. So you see, I have to wake up early in the morning to do the routines before the breakfast time. So yeah. So I've also filmed a sponsored video for Cosmo that I've shown you guys at the beginning of this vlog. I filmed it today because it's going to be due around in 5 days. So yeah, I did an overnight chassis and I'm gonna have my breakfast right now. So yeah, bye.